Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Spittles, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you how I created this video in Blender. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright, so right now we are in a Blender. As you can see, we have one cube, one light and one camera. Right, let's start with a cube only. So select this cube and go to modifier, this icon, and then click on add modifier and select this subdivision surface. Okay, so just zoom in and you can see we need to increase these levels. So in a viewport, let's take 3, and here also in a render 3. I just disable this optimal display. Is there anything in advanced use limit? Okay, that's okay. Don't change anything in that. Okay, so we have this cube which has become now a sphere. So right click on it and click on shade smooth. Okay, now the second thing is click on this arrow and put it up a bit more. Okay, now second we need one torus ring. So select shift A, you can see here also. Okay, so shift A and then go to mesh and then torus. Okay, see, you can see here a small triangle, so click on that. Increase the segments around 100. Then measure radius, we'll take it around 0.7, and minor radius 0.09. Okay, so this is our ring. Now press 1 for side view and let's put it up a bit. Okay, again same thing, right click and shade smooth. Okay, now we need one container, so again shift A and then select this UV sphere. Okay, and go to side view because we are going to cut this sphere in half. So select this icon to enable wireframe. Now press tab to enter in edit mode. Now select this icon. This is vertex, this is for edge, and this is for face. Okay, so we need to delete some faces, so click on the face. Okay, now select the upper part like this and delete it. To delete in Blender, we have to press X, not a delete button, and then select faces. Okay, now again press tab for object mode and then select this shaded mode. Okay, press 1 and align this like this. Okay, now we need some subdivisions, so again go to modifier and click on it and click on subdivision surface. That's fine, or maybe 2, and then we need bit thickness, so again click on add modifier and here you can see a solidify, so click on it. Instead of 0.01, make it 0.1. Okay, now let's add some physical properties for this sphere, this ring, and this container. So select this cube, sphere, and go to here, physical properties, and then click on cloth. Okay, now quality steps, let's take around 6. 1 is fine, vertex 1 is fine. Now go to stiffness and let's change it to 2. Compression 1. Shear is fine. Then bending 1.5. Okay, now go down to pressure. I take 0.5, and then fluid density 0.03. Okay, now select this ring, click on collision, also this container, click on collision. Okay, I'll just play this once, let's see what we got. Okay, so the thing is that ring is quite small. Okay, so slightly scale up this ring. Yeah, perfect, that's what you want. Right click and shade smooth. Okay, so again go back to frame 1, take this little bit up. Okay, and play. Alright, so till 120 it's our animation. So let's quickly animate this container. So go to frame 0 and click on this icon. Okay, you get some properties like position, rotation, and scale. So okay, let's see where the ball is coming inside the container. Here, so around 70, right click and click on insert a single frame keyframe. Now go to frame 0 and drag this to x-axis like this, a bit more, and again right click and insert keyframe. Okay, now if you play, okay, at 120 again right click and insert single keyframe, and then at around 170 animate this container on the x-axis like this. And don't forget to right click and click on the insert keyframe, otherwise it won't animate. Okay, now let's end at 170. Okay, now you go back and if you play, you get this kind of animation. So right now it's a bit fast, but that's okay.
but the container animation is not that smooth. Okay, so let's come here, select this container, and we need one more area to work on. So right click on this line and select horizontal split, and then click here anywhere. Now click on this icon. We need graph editor. See, it's here. Okay, zoom out. So right now it's in linear. Right click and inside interpolation select Bezier. Okay, we need smoothness, so click on this handle and drag like this. Okay, now if you play, you can see our bowl is bit smooth. Just perfect. Alright, now let's quickly move to material part. So we don't need this, so again right click and join areas. See, you can see the arrow, click on it. Okay, now for shading, for adding materials, select this icon. This is shading. Oh, one more thing, we didn't add a plane, so we need something for base, right? So again shift A and plane, scale it. Let's set our camera angle first. So if you press 0, this is your camera angle. Then you can see here a little arrow, click on it, then go to view and view camera to view. Okay, now we can set our camera. Okay, so now click on his icon, just viewport shading, and select this sphere, and then go to shading. So you will find this thing. Okay, so first we need to add some surface, so around 0.8 or full. Okay, then this change surface color, I have a hex value which is FF96A6. Enter. So you will get this kind of color. Let me just my camera view. Okay, and then second thing, for reflection, I'll add some specularity. So increase the specularity like this and reduce the roughness. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, for the bowl, click on this new and metallic, increase the metallic. Yeah, that's fine. Specular is fine. reduce the surf roughness. That is fine. Alright, now I apply same material for the ring also. So select the ring and click on this icon and select this silver color. Perfect. Now select the floor, but before that, okay, select the floor, click on new. Now go to here, render setting, and don't forget to click this on, so you'll get nice reflections. Okay, so less roughness. You see there's specularity. You can play with this setting whatever you want. Okay, now let's go back to layout mode and let's play this animation. Perfect. Now let's add one light. Let's go here because we have only one light. So shift A and then light. This time we'll add sunlight. I will suggest you to play with light and material to get different kind of output. And increase the strength around 7. No need of shadow. Alright, now let's render this animation. So for that, go to here. I select the EV. If you want ambient occlusion, you can click on it. Then add this motion blur for the bowl. And then now go here. So you can set whatever resolution you want. Start frame 1, end frame 170. Okay. Here you can give a path. So here you can select a format. And then once you done all this thing, you need to go to here render and click on the render animation. So I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe SPTales and don't forget to hit that like button. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.